It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Amazing Autumn by Jennifer Marino Walters and illustrated by John Nez. Yeah. Autumn is here. The air is getting cooler. It's time to wear a sweater. Tap each button from top to bottom. Bum, 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 bum. There, all buttoned up. The trees are changing colors. The leaves go from green to red, yellow, and more. What colors do you see? Yeah. What else? Oh, they're so pretty. The leaves start to fall from the tree. Tap the falling leaves to count them. 1, 2, 3, 1,000,000. Ooh, that's a lot of leaves. Now blow them really hard to help them reach the ground. Woo! 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 Uh-oh! What a mess. How are we going to pick up all of those leaves? Ooh, here comes Dada with 2 rakes. Pull the rake towards you. Now do it again. All clean. That was a lot of work. Look at all those leaf piles. Point to the tallest one. Plop! Jumping in the leaves is so much fun. Uh-oh. Looks like we'll have to rake again. Autumn is the time for picking apples. Tap 10 green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count the red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh. Do you like apples? Yum. Apple pie. Now let's visit the farm. So many vegetables are ready for harvest in autumn. Squash, potatoes, celery. Oh my! Look at those orange pumpkins. Trace them with your finger. What shape are they? Hmm. They're sort of like circles, but longer. They are ovals. Let's pick the perfect pumpkin. Tap the pumpkin you would choose. Which one? Which one do you like? I like that one too. Now we'll make a jack-o'-lantern and put a candle inside. Push the switch to turn out the light. Boo! Boo! Ooh, what a spooky face. Autumn is a special season, but soon it will be over. And winter will be here. Brrr! Brrr! Ah, brrr! Oh, that was a fun book. Thank you for reading that with me.